2008 Chevy Silverado step side LS with a 5.3 motor. Right there, it says LS on the side. What we got done on it, let me show you guys. Factory converter there, another one there, wires into a single there. And we put a Black Widow. Here's the part number, BW8HW25-C, 2.5 inch in, 2.5 inch out. And then as you guys can see, it's out the side right there. Into a Natami dual tip, side angle dual tip. We'll have a link in the description for it too. Looks nice, clean. With a Black Widow muffler, there's the dimensions on the Black Widow, if you guys wonder. Right there. Side exit, nice wheels. They just bought the truck. It's only got 40,000 miles on it, which is crazy, man. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, hit that subscribe. Ooh, Black Widow. There's that nut top, man. That's clean. Oh, it's a really nice sound, guys. What do you guys think? Wow. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 100. Looking truck. We got duals going on that lift. Nice pop to it. Sorry for the construction, guys, but they're doing construction, so yeah. There it is. Let you guys hear on the inside. Nice side exit on it. Oh yeah, that sounds good. Came out sounded really nice. Enjoy, guys.